Hi guys, Rowan aka the Human Voice Box here with another sound effect that you can use on your film. This sound effect is going to be a laughter track. So if you're filming like a sitcom where you want a laughter track in the background to encourage people to laugh at your jokes, then you can use this. And I've edited this layered so it sounds like lots of people laughing. So you can use this and it will sound really authentic. Ha 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 ha. So that'll make your jokes seem really funny and it'll just be a great overall show. Cheers guys. Bye.